But I'm going to the bathroom. Jap. Where's human? Always wandering off, getting lost. Silly human. Come back. Flock is over here. Hi, I'd like to bring my bird in for a checkup. Okay. What's the bird's name? His name is Florida Man. Warning, beware of attack bird. Are you trapped? Blink twice if you need help. Or I didn't do it, you did. Humans so stupid. A monster. It can't see me now, I'm hidden. Sorry human, but I must feed. Time out. I bet the human needs help hitting those buttons. You died. You're welcome. Stop digging for seeds and eat the pellets. Stop. Okay, now bring it back. My human loves playing fetch. Yos, scritches. I have your finger. So don't do it wrong. It's yours. No thanks. It's literally your baby. No children. Hey dude, look. What's that? It's my parrotlet. I'm comfy. Other birds. Oh. My bird. Oh. A hen. Ah. I didn't ask to be this beautiful. You think I chose this crimson hue of perfection? And this thing? It's hard to be humble when you are the archetype of handsome. Wait. Just a little bit longer. She's almost done cooking. My plan for stealing the chips is risky. Some of us may get timeouts. But the human can't stop a whole flock of us. Who's with me? Parrot pellets. Have you seen cheeks? You mind? I'm eating. You ready to go? Yeah, I guess. You got everything? Yep. I should rearrange the cage. That looks better. Where's my cage? Look at them. Eating out of the trash like some sort of. Hold up. Is that a full donut? Look, it looks like your brother. Love my human. Love to bite human. Face scritches. Come here for scritches. You missed my hand. Or, I can't scritch you with my face, silly. I don't think there are any bugs left in here. Bugs. I'm just coping with life. All clean. You only washed your face. All clean. How to cook with cheeks. Step 1. Get seed from human. Step 2. Get another seed from human. Step 3. How hold to seed at once. It's finally my favorite time of year. It's squelch season. Squelch with me. I'm not as into this as you are. Excuse me, do you know how to get to the... It's bedtime. How do you go to your cage, please? No thanks. I'll give you a treat. Peekaboo. What you doing? Ha ha ha. Hello new big sister. Stretch. 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 Come on out. Carry me. Can you step up on your perch? Grab. Toss. No. I just realized. Trees all have different leaves. Yeah. Each with their own little shapes and colors. I'm so glad to witness the beginning of this wonderful journey. The world is so beautiful. My poop. Do you believe in goats? Animals with beards, horns, and square eyes? They just make that stuff up to scare kids. Good morning. Oh my god, are you okay? Can you I'm trying to sleep. Best friends. We get along so well. Want food? No friends. Food time now. I know you've been feeling small and insignificant, but think about this. Each of the seeds in these cones could grow into a massive tree. But I'm not a tree or a seed and I'll never be massive. No but. Every time you eat a seed it's like you're eating a whole tree. Chomp. More. One big millet for you. And one for you. It fell in. How? Scritch time. Okie. Scritch. Scritch. Wah. It's okay, I still love you. You. Your parents let you have a mohawk? They have mohawks too. Whoa. Well, aren't you cute? I could devour you. Hey, give me a kiss. Mwah. Meryl the talking teal singing. He is my boyfriend now. Disliked. Liked. What? The gourmet. Fresh veggies and seeds. A stale poo. Soaking dirty pan. Chicken no. Who's a pretty bird? You are. I know. Okay chicken, I'm going to put on this hat. Okay. Don't be afraid. It'll still be me, just wearing a hat. Got it? Okay there, see. Still me. Who the frick are you?